Mountains and rivers, the heroes find the martial law, no one to fall behind. You and I search for ourselves in the clash of blades. Blood and sweat, forge a tale that never fades. Our blood and sweat, forge a story surreal. Fists slice the wind, shadows blend with the night. You step and take dances on the edge of a fight. Fists strike the wind, shadows sleep through the night. Every step dances on the edge of a fight. In the storm of steel, whose name will survive? In this war we laugh, fight, stay alive. Through the clash and the roar we rise once more. In the echoes of the battles fought in wars before. Through the rhythm of the warriors' heartbeats collide. With every move we let the music guide. Through the rhythm of the warriors' hearts collide. With every step we let the music be our guide. The legends of the heroes of love and strife. And in this dance we find our meaning, our life. Warriors dance, no fear in their eyes. In this beat we're no longer bound by ties. In this beat we're free, no longer bound by ties. Unleash your soul, let the rhythm lead the way. Unleash your heart, let the music lead the way. Calling the brave to step into the face of grace. In this chaos, we rise, unshaken tall. Every step, a story in the motion plays. The rhythm's alive, like lightning in the sky. In this world of heroes, the spirits never die. Feel the pulse of the battlefield in every breath. Each moment a test between life and death. Every voice must reveal it so clear. A call to the hands of the door of fear. In this moment of chaos, we stand tall. United in a rhythm, we will never fall. Those dance to the music, forever strong. Warriors in the night where we belong. To the clash and the war, we rise once more.